to the 9 at 9, where I tell you 9 things at 9 in the morning for less than 9 minutes. I'm your host, Kathryn Jones, founding design hacker, and let's get started, okay? Today we're going to talk about 9 things to never do in funnel design. Number 1, you want to make sure that your message is always above the fold. If people have to scroll down to figure out what it is you're even selling, you made a mistake. Don't ever do that, okay? Number 2, you should never have more than 1 to 2 call to action colors. I prefer 1, okay? If all of a sudden your buttons are all certain types of colors, you have a problem, okay? People aren't going to know where to look. People aren't going to know what to do. Only 1 call to action color, okay? Number 2, 3, don't be crazy. Don't have more than 2 fonts, okay? I recommend 1 headline font and 1 body font. There are some extreme circumstances where 3 are okay, but stick with 2, all right? Number 4, do not waste space. Literally, there is wasted real estate all the time. They're trying to be cute, they're trying to be pretty. No, we're trying to design pages that convert, which means that people need to get the information as quickly as possible, which means we don't want them to have to scroll forever and ever and ever to figure out what it is you're actually selling, okay? Number 5, don't have more than 1 call to action on your funnel page, okay? They should be able to do 1 of 2 things. Either click the call to action button, do whatever it is you want them to do, or leave. So many times I go to funnels and it's like, hey, do this, or you can go to my Instagram page, or you can also buy this product, or you can sign up with a strategy call. Like, guys, no. You do 1 thing, okay? Number 6, don't have a bad thumbnail on your videos, okay? It's a really weird thing to have an amazing looking funnel page design and then have a really, really janky thumbnail or really, really janky looking video, okay? We want to make sure those align, that the quality of your videos matches the quality of your funnels, okay? Number 7, don't be gimmicky. Don't be weird, okay? Like sometimes there's like you can make buttons move like this or something like that. Don't do that. It makes you look homemade. It makes you look not great. Don't do that, okay? Number 8, continuity. I couldn't read my notes. That's what's happening, okay? Now sometimes we'll see in design, again, people try to get crazy. We want to make sure that there is continuity in the actual design, meaning this. If your buttons are going to have square edges, make sure there's square edges on all of the edges. If they're going to be round, okay? There's something that allows us psychologically to trust things that are consistent. We want to make sure we do that in our design, okay? Then, you want to make sure one of the best and coolest things about design is its ability to immediately tell people that it belongs to you, okay? So, if you have crazy branding that's not synonymous across all of your different funnels, it's going to be a problem. Don't do that. There should be nuances to each of the offers, but at the end of the day, you should be able to tell that it is your actual offer. So that's it for 9 at 9 things to never do when it comes to funnel design. See you next time.